Microsoft has stopped sending security updates to the Windows 10 operating system. If you want to keep using your Windows 10, you need security updates so that your data stays protected from hackers. In this video, I will show you two methods to get the security updates after Windows 10 end of support. After the Windows 10 end of support, one thing you can do is opt for Microsoft's extended security updates. It will cost you about $61 for the first year. The cost is going to double next year. If you want to opt for the ESU, you can open the Windows 10 settings and then go to the Update section. Here, you will see the option for Enroll in Extended Security Updates. You can click on the Enroll Now button and then follow the instructions. Some users might not see this option in their Update section. If that is the case, here is the fix. Press Windows plus R button, type Regedit, and hit Enter. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Then you will have to navigate to a particular key. The address is in the video description. Copy it and paste it into the address bar and hit Enter. You will reach the ConsumerESU key. Here, the first key is ESU eligibility. Double-click on it and change its value to 2. Click OK. Then open the second key, ESU eligibility result, and change its value to 4. Click OK. Close the registry editor, then reopen the Settings app and the Update section. You will see the option to enroll in the ESU. Sometimes it appears when you restart the PC, so you can also do that if it is not showing. Then click on the Enroll Now button. You will have to sign in and then follow the instructions. The next method I am about to show is changing the registry key to get enrolled in the extended security updates without paying. This method will allow you to get the updates for free, but after the update, you will have to change the registry key again. This method might stop working after some time, as Microsoft could fix this glitch anytime. Even if it is temporary, you can use your favorite Windows 10 for some time longer. Press Windows plus R, type Regedit, and hit Enter. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Copy the same registry address from the video description, paste it here, and hit Enter. Then double-click on the ESU eligibility key. Change its value to 3 and hit Enter. Then open the ESU eligibility result key and change its value to 1. Click OK, close the registry editor, and reopen the Windows Update. You will see that your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates. You can check for updates, and a few updates will be downloaded and installed, as you can see here. But remember, this method is temporary and might stop working after some time. So, this is how you can use Windows 10 for some more time, even after the end of support.